Are you a beginner in crochet and you don't know where to start? Look no further, because in this video, I will introduce you to the best crochet kit for beginners in 2023, and it has a free crochet video course that will help you in your crochet journey. Firstly, let's talk about the contents of the Modda Crochet Kit. The kit comes with 9 ergonomic crochet hooks, stitch markers, a tapestry needle, scissors, a measuring tape, and a compact organizer case. It's a complete package to start your crochet journey. The ergonomic hook design will give you a comfortable grip while crocheting for hours. What makes this kit unique is the free video course included in the package. The course is designed for beginners, and it starts with the basics of crochet, like how to make a slip knot, chain, and single crochet. The course also covers various projects that you can make using the kit, such as a beanie hat, a scarf, a cowl, and even amigurumi animals. The video course is accessible anytime and anywhere, allowing you to learn at your own pace. You'll never miss any steps because the videos are clear and concise, and you can replay them as many times as you need. With the Modda Crochet Kit for beginners, you'll have everything you need to start your crochet journey, and the free video course will guide you every step of the way. Get your kit now and start crocheting like a pro in no time.